If we forget our Apple ID password or iCloud password, then we can easily fix this issue. We can easily reset the password. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to tap on the settings on our iPad and then it will bring this window. On the left sidebar, we'll see our full name. We just need to tap on top of the full name and right side it will give us all the details. From the right side, we have to choose the second option, which is called Sign In and Security. We just need to tap over there, and once we tap over there, very shortly it will go to the next screen. And here we'll see our email and phone number, then security, and some other information is there. Our goal is to change the password, right? Because we forgot the password. So to change the password, we just need to tap over the change password under security, and once we tap it over there, it will ask us to type the passcode for our iPad. Here we need to type our iPad passcode. So I'm going to type the passcode for my iPad. And if the passcode is correct, it will give us the prompt to type the new password. We need to type 2 times, and these 2 times it will be the same password. You cannot use the old password, or you cannot use a very weak password. If you try to type your old password or a weak password, Apple will give you message that you have to type a new password which is not old or weak. When you finish typing the new password, then press the continue button, and if everything is fine, then it will close the window. That means your password change has been successful. Now you can use your Apple ID and password to log in from any browser or from other device, or to purchase any other apps from the App Store. And that's it. In this way, we can easily reset our iCloud password or Apple ID password from our iPad.